right. It is also Election Day today in many Chicago suburbs. Voters are going to the polls to pick mayors, county officials, and school board members all across the area.
Yeah, it is not a big day in Illinois. It's crucial, and also not just in Illinois. The Supreme Court in Wisconsin has a really big race that's actually receiving national attention. Political reporter Marianne Ahern here now with the very latest. So much going on.
There is a lot going on today. Good afternoon to you. We are watching several heated races. Let's start with Arlington Heights. One of the candidates, Jim Tenalia, voted this morning. He's a trustee of Arlington Heights and has received the endorsement of the outgoing mayor, Tom Hayes. Also on the ballot, John Riddler and Tom Schwingback. The big issue, what if the Chicago Bears relocate to the old Arlington Heights racetrack, and how will the new mayor handle that huge project? In the south suburbs, Orland Park Mayor Keith Pekow faces a challenge from a former neighbor and a former friend, Jim Dodge. It's been a nasty personal fight with robo-attack calls from both sides. It is viewed as business versus labor. Pekow has business support. Dodge is a favorite of several unions. Also, we will be keeping an eye tonight on what happens in Aurora. Incumbent Richard Irvin is in a rematch with Aurora Alderman John Lash. The state Democratic Party, led by Governor J.B. Pritzker, has gotten involved in trying to oust Irvin. Irvin, as you might recall, ran and lost in the GOP primary for governor in 2022.
Yeah, and that was a race that would have pitted him against Pritzker. So.
Right.
All right, so now the big race in Wisconsin. What are you hearing about the Supreme Court race?
Well, all eyes on that one, because this will end up being the most expensive judicial race ever in the country. There are questions about Elon Musk and his PAC offering today $50 to those who post a picture with a Wisconsin resident outside of a voting location. There are questions about whether or not that is legal. Musk supports the Republican candidate, and others, like Barack Obama and J.B. Pritzker, support the Democratic candidate. It is also seen as a real test of where do voters stand 70 days into the Trump presidency. That's why there's so much attention, and we'll just be keeping an eye on all of those tonight.
All right. Thanks so much, Marianne.
See you later, Marianne.
Don't forget, we will have all of the election results tonight. Marianne will be here this evening. Check NBCChicago.com starting after 7 o'clock when they start to come in, and then catch up with us tonight at 10 o'clock for a full recap.